Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you simple trick to display seconds on your taskbar clock in Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly we are open registry editor, press Windows plus R, type type reg edit, then press enter, click on yes. Here you will see we are in registry editor. Now we are into computer, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, Advanced. And in Advanced, right click on it, click on new, then click on DW word 32-bit value. It will rename with show seconds in system clock. Press enter. Now we are seeing that in our watch there are hours and minutes. Double click on it and value data into 1, then press OK. Now you will see our watch has seconds also. If you want to hide seconds again, just set value data into 1 to 0, then press again OK. You will see it will be again to same. And that's it. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Windows tips and hit the bell icon. Stay updated. Thanks for watching.